Good morning, students. Did you had your breakfast? I think your answer will be yes. Now, you are ready for the class? Shall we start the class now? Do you like to go to the garden? Even I like to go to the garden, and also I like to watch magic shows very much. Do you like? Yes. Now, shall we see what magic happens in the garden? First, shall we read the lesson? Keep your finger and repeat after me, children. Okay, dear? Keep your finger and repeat after me what I am reading. Okay, dear? Good.
The Magic Garden. The Magic Garden was in a school playground. It was very pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies, and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." "Yes," said the marigolds, "the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well." We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." The sun said, "I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine." Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their song to listen to them. "Oh, look at the tall sunflower," said one child, and the sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, "I love the marigold in its golden dress." The marigold smiled happily. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of the next day when the children would come again. Adapted from the Fairy Garden by Margaret H. Bolton. Now, shall we see the meaning? The magic garden. What is the meaning for magic? Some supernatural power. And what is the meaning for garden? A piece of ground where plants and flowers grow. Where was the garden? It is in the school playground. It was very pretty. How was the garden? Pretty. Pretty means very beautiful. Sunflowers and roses. Marigold, poppies and pansies. What are the flowers you can see there? Sunflowers, roses, marigold, poppies and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden. What is the meaning for sunshine? Sunlight. Sunlight fell into the garden directly. What are the flowers doing? The flowers were dancing and singing happily. They said to one another, what? They were talking to one another. "We have hundreds of little gardeners." What is the meaning for gardener? A person who takes care of garden. Here, who's taking care? The school children taking care of the garden. So they are the gardeners here. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the bird. Who's talking? Flowers to whom? To the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said the poppy. What the poppy flower said? "I love all the children,
but I love the little ones very much. I like them to bring their water cans and water my thirsty roots. What the children are doing here? They are bringing the can and they are watering the roots. What they are doing? Watering the roots. Who's telling this? Poppy flower is telling. I love all the children, but I love the little one most. Why? Because they are watering the roots. Next, who's talking? Marigold. What the marigold is telling? The boys are good to us. They dig the ground so well. What the boys are doing? They are digging the ground to plant a plant. Who's doing? The boys are doing. Who's telling? Marigold. Next, who's talking? Tiny bird. We love the little children. They are kind and they bring bread for us. Who's bringing bread? The little children bringing bread for the small bird. Tiny means small bird. All the flowers said, we must get ready, for the children will be coming soon. We must get ready and we must look very pretty. The sun said, I'll also help you. The children running in the sunshine gives me a lot of happiness, better than any other thing. Who said this? The sun said, I'll be very happy to see the children running in the ground. Suddenly, the children came out laughing and singing. The flowers stopped their songs and listened to them. The flowers were talking, no, they were singing and talking. They stopped that and they were listening to the children, what they are doing. The children are laughing and singing. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child. What the child said? Look at that tall sunflower. The sunflower lifted its head very proudly. He felt very proud and he lifted its head. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. One more child who's standing there, they said, what they said? I love the marigold in its golden dress. What the color of the marigold? It is golden color, no? So, what the child said? I love that marigold. The marigold smiled happily. Why do we say it was a magic garden? Because it had fairies. What the fairies are doing? They are dancing and singing song which only the children could hear. Rest all cannot hear what the fairies are doing. After a time, the fairies came out and they started dancing and talking with the children. Their dresses, the fairy dresses were made of flowers. The wings are made of sunshine. The next, the magic garden was quiet at night. How the magic garden was How the magic garden? It was very quiet. No sound at all in the night. Why? Because flowers, birds were sleeping at night and they were dreaming of the next day. And they were thinking about the next day when the children will come and when we'll be happy. They were thinking and they were dreaming about the next day. Shall we see the new words now? First one is magic. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. Second one, gardeners. G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R-S. Gardeners. Third one is garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Fourth one, playground. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Playground. Sunshine. S-U-N-S-H-I-N-E. Sunshine. Golden. G-O-L-D-E-N. Golden. Dreaming. D-R-E-A-M-I-N-G. Dreaming.
Yes. Shall we start the book exercises now? Reading is fun. Why did the flowers love the little children? Why did the flowers love the little children? The flowers loved the little children because they care for flowers, water the flowers, dig the ground nicely. What are the things? Care for flowers, water the flowers, dig the ground nicely. Why did the birds love the children? The birds loved the children because they used to bring bread for them. The birds loved the children because they used to bring bread for them. Next, name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. What are the 5 flowers we have seen? The 5 flowers growing in the magic garden are pansy, sunflower, marigold, poppy and rose. What are the flowers? Pansy, sunflower, marigold, poppy and rose. What sound could the children hear in the garden? They heard the sweet song and dancing sound of fairies. They heard the sweet song and dancing sound of fairies.
Talk time. Roses. I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. I'm reading again. I like roses. Most roses are red. Some are white. Some are yellow. Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. Which one is your favorite flower? My favorite flower is rose. Which is your favorite flower? Write it there. Okay, va? Next say aloud. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Next. People. P-O-P-L-E. People. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Happily. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y. Happily. Sleepily. S-L-E-E-P-I-L-Y. Proudly. P-R-O-U-D-L-Y. Proudly. Slippery. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-Y. Slippery. Thirsty. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Thirsty. Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. Next. Word building. Name 2 words in each petal which you have seen in the garden. Which channel you have seen, you are going to write. Insect. They have given 2 dashes. No. What insect you have seen in the garden? No. Write there. Next, in the tree. What are the trees you have seen? Flowers, tools and birds. What another you have seen in the garden? Write it in the dash. You have to do this by yourself. Next, imagine you have a big garden. Draw your own garden there. Next, what would you like to grow in your garden? Write 3 sentences giving the names of the flowers. Any 3 flowers which you want to write, you can write. In my garden, I would like to grow, for example, sunflower. You can write. Next, in my garden, I would like to grow roses. What you are going to write now, write it there. Thank you, children. Be safe at home.